Alright guys, thank you for joining me. This is for an open box. This is for the GB300 7 Simulator 6000 plus. Support internal graphic double against plus, whatever that means. So this is the box. Same thing on the side. This is the, let's see, this is the layout that's on the box, the volume, the functions, start, select. That's the front, and this is the back of the console. You got the speaker, and you got a left and a right in your battery, and it is a rechargeable battery. And where are the specs at? Okay, here we go. Here are your specs. You guys can see that the model is a GB300 and so on, 5 volts, and you can connect this to your TV. So all right, now let's open it. All right, let's see. Let's get this open. And this is all what comes in the box. Anything in there? Nope, nothing else. I'm gonna put that to the side. And this is everything that comes into the box. You got the console itself. It's plastic. The buttons are plastic. Your start and select are rubber. That's the back, your speaker, your warranty sticker, everything. Here's your top. It takes a Type-C charger, headphone jack, or connects to your TV. It's got a 8 GB SD card in it, and you can upgrade the ROMs on it, or the games. Your volume up and down, and your power switch. Let's show you what else is in the box. Here's your Type-C charger, Type A to Type C. And here's your video and audio for your TV. It goes into your console. The 3.5mm goes into your console, and this goes into your TV. Let's see what the gameplay looks like. Alright. Turn that down a little. Okay. So this is the gameplay. So you use the left and right trigger buttons on the back to change it. The games. So can you, I hope you guys can see that. So we got whatever FC is, then PCE. I want to know those. Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, your ROMs, and your features of favorite, then history. Then you can search for a game. So let's go for a game. Let's go to search, and let's search, you know what? We will search Mario. M-A Mario. Let's see if that goes through. So yeah, Mario Brothers. Dr. Mario Brothers. We're gonna do the classic. Okay. Oh, we gotta hit start. Hit start. Oh, this is Dr. Mario. I'm not sure. Oh. That kills him. Oh, I guess not. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to go up? Oh well. But you see that it works. So let's see. And to end it or pause it, you push both start and select at the same time. And we're going to go to quit. Alright, so we're back at the end. Get the battery indicator up there. This is the search function. Okay. So this is your 6001 plus GB300 unboxing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and also I have a Whatnot show that I work with, and I sell different items. So go check out Whatnot, and you'll find these consoles on there for cheap. You can get them. They go for $45 wherever, but you can get them at Whatnot way dirt cheap. $10, $5, $13. All right. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share my videos.